show has been very good for us. It's the first time we've exhibited here, so and it's been very beneficial. We've hopefully picked up a number of leads that are going to benefit our business. So yeah, fingers crossed.
Yeah, the show's been really good for us today. We've managed to speak to some potential customers, potential suppliers, and just speaking to current customers, building a relationship.
Yeah, we've had a great day, thank you. It's been very busy, we've seen lots of different customers. It's good for advertising for our company, and this has been our main purpose for today. Hopefully it gets the name out there and we can drum in a little bit more opportunities.
It's been good, thank you. Yeah, it's the first time we've exhibited at this event, and yeah, we've found some good leads, some new accounts that we didn't know about, and potentially some sales will come out of it. So yeah, it's been good. Everything that we expected from it.
It's been quite a mixed range of people. We've had potential partners, we've had potential customers, and yeah, we're looking forward to some more people coming through.
So the show has worked out very well for us. It's our first time presenting our technology at a show, and we think that this is a very important issue, sustainability in the food manufacturing business. We're excited to show our technology alongside all these other up-and-coming technologies to help improve sustainability in this area.
Yeah, the show's been really good. This is the first time we've been at the exhibition, so we're entering this as a new introduction for Emerson into the food and beverage market in the UK. So it's been a good introduction. We've seen a few different presentations, as well as having a good number of different customers, a good mix of different customers in the stand today as well.